Wave motion. Wave motion involves the transfer of disturbance from one point to the other, with the particles of medium oscillating about the mean positions. That is, the particles of the medium don't travel themselves along the wave. Instead, they oscillate back and forth about the same equilibrium position, and the wave passes by. Only the disturbance is propagated. Waves are of two types: longitudinal waves and transverse waves. When particles of the medium vibrate parallel to the direction of propagation of wave, they transfer in the form of compressions and rarefactions. They involve changes in pressure and volume. Such waves are called longitudinal waves. Transverse waves. Particles of medium vibrate in a direction perpendicular to the direction of propagation of wave. These create crests and troughs. These waves can be set up in solids or on the surface of liquids, but never on gases. Such are transverse waves. A few terms used in waves are angular wave number, represented by k. The number of wavelengths in the distance of 2 pi is called the angular wave number. It is k, that is 2 pi by lambda. Particle velocity. It is the velocity of the particle executing simple harmonic motion. V is dy by dt. Here y is the displacement and t is the time take, the small interval. Wave velocity. It is the velocity of transverse wave motion, that is the distance travelled by the wave by the time taken. V is lambda by t or w by x. V is also given by lambda by frequency. The differential equation of wave motion is d square y by dx square is 1 by v square d square y by dt square. Speed of waves. Speed of waves is divided into two types as per the nature of the wave. These are given below. Transverse wave. The expression for speed of transverse waves in a solid and in case of stretched string are obtained theoretically. In solids, it is root eta by d, where eta is the modulus of rigidity and d is the density of the medium. In a stretched string, velocity is given by root t by m or root mg by pi r square d, where t is tension, m is mass per unit length of the string, capital M is the mass suspended from the string, and r is the radius, d is the density. The longitudinal wave. If the solid is in the form of a long rod, then V is root gamma by rho, where gamma is Young's modulus. V is root B by rho, where B is the bulk modulus of the liquid. According to Newton's formula, the speed of sound in gas is obtained by replacing B with the initial pressure of the gas. Factors affecting speed of sound. Effect of temperature on velocity. With rise in temperature, the velocity of sound increases, since V is directly proportional to root T. The speed of sound in air increases by 0.61 meter per second for every T degree Celsius rise in temperature. Effect of pressure for gas medium. Pressure has no effect on the velocity of sound, provided the temperature remains constant. Humidity. When humidity in air increases, its density decreases and so velocity of sound increases, where here y and b are the Young's modulus and bulk modulus. Displacement relation for a progressive or a harmonic wave. The equation of plane, progressive or a simple harmonic wave travelling along the positive direction of x-axis is y is a sin omega t minus kx. It can also be written as a sin 2 pi by t into small t minus xt by lambda, or a sin omega into t minus x by v, and so on. The maximum value of y is equal to a, that is a is the amplitude, then the dy by dt is the velocity of the particle, v is dy by dt, that is a omega cos 2 pi by lambda vt minus x. The maximum velocity is given by a omega, and the maximum acceleration is given by minus omega square a. The relation between phase difference and path difference. Phase difference is 2 pi by lambda into path difference. Phase difference is 2 pi by t. That is 2 pi by t into time difference. and time difference is t by lambda into path difference. Principle of superposition of waves. Two or more waves can traverse the same space independently of one another. The resultant displacement of each particle of the medium at any instant is equal to the vector sum of displacements produced by the two waves separately. This principle is called the principle of superposition of waves. Y can be written as y1 plus y2 plus y3 and so on. Interference of waves. When two waves of same frequency or same wavelength traveling along the same path superpose each other, there occurs redistribution of energy in the medium. At a given position, the displacement due to the waves can be, let y is a1 sin omega t and y2 is a2 sin omega t. Then the resultant displacement y is y1 plus y2, that is a sin omega t plus phi, where a is root over a1 square plus a2 square plus 2a1 a2 cos phi. Tan theta can be given by a2 sin phi by a1 plus a2 cos phi. Constructive interference. When the wave meets a point with some phase, the constructive interference is obtained at that point. The phase difference between the waves at the point of observation is 0 degree or 2 pi n. The maximum resultant amplitude at the point of observation will be a1 plus a2. Destructive interference. When the waves meet at a point with opposite phase is called destructive interference. The phase difference is 180 or 2 pi 2n minus 1 into pi. The minimum resultant amplitude is a1 minus a2. Intensity. The intensity of waves is the average amount of energy transported by the wave per unit area normally across the surface at a given point. Intensity is directly proportional to amplitude square. If I1 and I2 are the intensities of interfering waves and phi is a phase difference, then the resulting intensity is given by I is I1 plus I2 plus 2 root I1 I2 cos phi. The maximum intensity is given by 2 root over I1 plus root I2 whole square, and for it the phase difference is 2 pi n. The minimum intensity is root I1 minus root I2 whole square, and the phase difference is given by 2n plus 1 into pi. Power. If P is the power of the sound source, then the intensity follows the inverse square law of distance, that is I is equal to P by 4 pi d square. Standing or stationary waves. Standing or stationary wave is formed due to the superposition of two progressive waves of same nature, same frequency, amplitude, and traveling with the same speed, but they travel in the opposite directions. If the incident wave is represented by y1 is a sin omega t minus kx, and the reflected wave is represented by a sin omega t plus kx, then the resultant wave is represented by 2a cos kx sin omega t. The resultant wave does not represent a progressive wave. Standing waves in a string. Consider a string of length L stretched under the tension T between two fixed points, that is clamped at its ends. Transverse wave is set up on the string whose speed is given by V is root T by mu. There are few different modes of vibration of stretched string when both are fixed at both ends and it is in its first harmonic, then L is lambda by 2. So frequency is given by 1 by 2L root T by mu, and for the second harmonic it is 1 by L root T by mu, and so on. Standing waves in organ pipes. Organ pipes are those cylindrical pipes which are used for producing musical sounds. The standing waves in both organ pipes, that is open pipe and closed pipe, are described here. Organ pipes, open. In an open pipe, always antinode is formed at both the open ends. Various modes of vibration of air column in an open pipe are shown here. First harmonic is given by V by 2L. Second harmonic, that is first overtone, is 2V by 2L. The frequencies are in their ratio 1:2:3 and so on. The position of notes from one end is lambda by 4 3 lambda by 4, 5 lambda by 4, and so on. The position of antinodes is x is 0, lambda by 2, lambda, 3 lambda by 2, and so on. Closed organ pipe. In closed organ pipe, always node is formed at the closed end. Various modes of vibration of air column in a closed organ pipe are shown here. The first harmonic in a closed pipe is V by 4L, and the third harmonic, that is the first overtone, is 3V by 4L. In a closed pipe, only odd harmonics are present. The ratio of their frequencies are 1:3:5 and so on. The position of nodes from a closed end is 0, lambda by 2, lambda, and so on. The position of antinodes is lambda by 4, 3 lambda by 4, 5 lambda by 4, and so on. Beats. When two sound waves of nearly equivalent or slightly different frequencies are equal and are traveling along the same directions, superimpose at a given point, the resultant sound intensity alternatively arises and falls. This alternate rise and fall of sound is given by position called beats. The number of beats formed per second is called the frequency of beats. If two sound waves of frequencies f1 and f2 superpose, then the frequency of beats is modulus of f1 minus f2. For the formation of distinct beats, the difference between the frequencies of two superimposing notes should be less than 10 Hz. Our perception of loudness is better correlated with the second level measured in decibel dB and defined as follows. That is, beta is given by 10 log I by I naught to the base 10, where I naught is 10 power minus 12 Weber meter square at 1 kHz. Doppler effect. The phenomenon of apparent change in frequency of source due to relative motion between the source and observer is called Doppler's effect. Here we mainly have 4 cases. When the source is moving and the observer is at rest, frequency is given by f into v by v minus vs. When the source is moving away from the observer and the observer is at rest, then the frequency is v by v plus vs. Here capital V is the speed of sound. Next, when source is at rest and observer is moving towards the source, frequency is given by f into v plus v naught by v. When the source is at rest and the observer is moving away from the source, then frequency is given by f into v minus v naught by v. When both source and observer are moving towards each other, then frequency is given by f into v plus v naught by v minus vs. Both source and observer are moving in opposite directions, then the frequency is given by f into v minus v naught by v plus vs. Thank you.